you don't have to be afraid of sharks. Sharks are the ones who should be afraid of us. And here's what I mean by that. Sharks get a very bad reputation in the media. Ever since the movie Jaws came out in the 70s, we really just think of sharks as killing machines. Whenever they're in a movie, they're always just eating people. But sharks do not naturally eat people. They eat other fish. So if you go to the beach, is there a chance you could die in a shark attack? Yes, but you are 100 times more likely to die by drowning, or you are 300 times more likely to die in a boat. So we've got to really think through our fear of sharks, which is irrational. Now, over the past 100 years, about 90% of sharks have gone away because of what humans have been doing to the environment, whether that's pollution and the effects of that, or whether that's us catching the sharks and taking off their fins, which are considered a delicacy in many parts of the world. So I hope you'll help me to share this video to celebrate the beauty of these amazing creatures and to let people know we should not be fearing sharks, we should be revering them. Thank you.